Today we're making steak and shrimp. So let's get started. For our steak and shrimp, we're going to need steaks, and I'm using New York strip. You can use whatever you prefer. Shrimp, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, salt, olive oil, red pepper flakes, and wooden skewers. So let's get started. Alright, so what we're going to need to do with our steaks, we need to make sure that they are at room temperature. Then we're going to drizzle just a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to cover the steaks. And as always, we need to make sure that we clean our hands once we're done, being we're working with raw meat. Then we're going to sprinkle with salt. And then some fresh pepper. All right, and then we're going to flip them over and we're going to do the other side. And we've got our grill heating up to about 400 while we're getting all the prep work done. All right, and that should do it right there. All right, we've got these done, so let's move on to our shrimp. All right, so we've got about 1 pound of shrimp, and we're going to drizzle some olive oil on these as well. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning and a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And I use Flatiron Pepper Company's dark and smoky blend. So we're going to give these a good toss, make sure everything gets coated. All right. So now we're going to take our skewers and we're going to do probably 4 to 5 shrimp per skewer. And the shrimp have been peeled and deveined. There we go. And I will put a link in the description to the website for the peppers, the red pepper flakes, because I really like them. They're really good and they offer several different blends. They even have a rub for barbecue. So we're just about done. Looks like we've got about 2 left. Now we're going to finish up our last skewer. And like I said, you're going to end up with about 5 to 6 per skewer. and this is going to depend on the size. If you end up with larger shrimp, then you'll have fewer shrimp on the skewer, but mine are roughly medium to large, so I ended up with about 5 per skewer. Alright, so we've got that done, and let me get cleaned up and then we'll move out to the grill. So our grill's heated up and ready to go, so now we're going to put our steaks on. And I'm going to set these on at a 45-degree angle, so that way we can get those nice grill marks on the steak. So we're going to let these cook for 3 minutes, and then we're going to flip them over. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes, so now we're going to turn them 45 degrees. Alright, and we're going to let these cook for another 3 minutes. Alright, so now we need to flip them over and do the other side. Look at those grill marks. Lovely. Alright, so another 3. Alright, so we are going to spin these 45 degrees for the last time. And let these go for the last 3 minutes. And then we're going to put our shrimp down. Okay, so these are going to be we're pulling these off after the last 3 minutes. And we're going to take them inside, and we're going to wrap them in foil and let them rest for 15 minutes. Now we're going to put our shrimp on the grill. Alright, and just enough. And we're going to let these go 4 minutes per side. Alright, so we're going to flip these over for another 4 minutes. Ouch. Alright, so we're going to let these go. Alright, so our shrimp are done. So let's pull these off the grill. And we're going to get into the house and we're going to get plated up. Alright, so everything's ready to go. We let our steaks rest for 15 minutes. So we're going to serve that up with 2 skewers of shrimp. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And new videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. And enjoy.